guys, it's me Irene and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, I know. Today is February 19, 2025. So, today is the day for Army pre-sale ng Hope on the Street in Manila. So, we're trying to secure our ticket. We're going to secure our ticket. Okay? I'm so excited and kabado. Because this is BTS is my OG group, so kabado malala. Hindi ko alam. So, I try my best to vlog this journey. Sira. I'm waiting for my kasama. Papunta na daw sila. Yung dalawa papunta na. Yung isa makapit-bahay ko naman. So, anytime. Time check, 7:58 AM. Naghihintay ako ngayon sa SM Tickets or nasa X ako to update, ganyan. So, this is not my first time naman na bubili ng ticket. Pero, iba yung kaba ko this time. Because, one of my OG. Tapos, alam ko sobrang daming kalaban talaga dito. Kahit Army pre-sale siya. So, may Spark pre-sale bukas. Then, next day is general sale. So, makakasecure kami today. Let's go! Guys, sumakses tayo guys. Kabili tayo. Kinuha na din agad namin para sure ball na. Wala naman pagawaan Live Nation. Thank you, Hobie. Oh my god, thank you, Lord. So happy. Nalo tayo sa buksan. Worth it yun. Worth it yun. Ilang months namin pagpila ng tickets eh. Channel Nation. Oh my gosh. Really, buksaan, malala talaga eh. Iba ka dyan. So yun lang. Thank you for, panonood sa akin journey. Paano namin nakuha itong ticket ko. And, see you sa Tanjang.